What's the meaning of basis? Basis. Basis.
Basis. Basis. Basis refers to the fundamental or underlying principle, concept, or foundation upon which something is built. It can also refer to a starting point or a reference point for something. In mathematics and science, basis typically describes a set of vectors that can be used to represent all other vectors in a given space. A strong basis is essential for any complex system or structure, as it provides a stable and reliable foundation for further development. In interpersonal relationships, a basis of trust and respect is necessary for healthy communication and interaction. In short, basis is a crucial element in various fields and aspects of life.